Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can add Twitch link to TikTok bio. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. You have to simply do is go to your Twitch account and then copy your profile link. I will mention that video in description or like in pop-ups menu, so you have to simply click on that and then see how you can copy your Twitch account link. So whenever you copy your Twitch account, you have to simply click on TikTok and then open it up and logged into your account. There you want to add Twitch account link, so you have to simply go to your profile and then click on edit, and then you have to simply type over here or like click on this basic information. In this you will see links. Click on link, add link. So you will see over here a URL add. Click on that add button and then you have to simply paste over here that link that you have copied from your profile of Twitch, and then you have to simply click on save, and then it's gonna be saved in TikTok bio, or your link is added to TikTok. So that's how you can add Twitch link to TikTok bio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.